Hello, student. Myself, Rajesh Tripatil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today, I am going to explain creating presentation slide and opening an existing presentation. So, in this topic, I am going to explain regarding how to open PowerPoint, how to add new slide to the presentation, how to format a presentation, how to add graphs, graphic and image to the presentation, how to create slide presentation that include text, animation and transition, how to use design layout and template for presentation, how to edit, save and print our presentation, and how to open an existing presentation. Creating a presentation slide. So we can, how can we create a new presentation? So first and foremost, I think you know that you have to go to the file at the top of the screen and click on new option. A box that says blank or a new presentation should appear on the right side of our screen. Select a template. Select the theme if possible. Click create. Doing so, it creates your a PowerPoint presentation. So just you have to go to the file option. In that one we have a blank or a new presentation will be there, and then select a particular template and select the theme for it and click a create option will be there. So right side of your screen, I think I have shown a particular image like that, it will be open. Second point is that add a slide title or subtitle, given any title and subtitle to our presentation. So after opening the new presentations, there will be a, in the right side I think you can view, click to add title and click to add subtitle. So you can provide the, like just I had provided here, uh, like here there is a title will be there, creating a presentation slide and something, and here below I had written subtitle like Rajeshri Patil Assistant Professor, something like this. You can add a title and subtitle to your presentation. So next, after different formatting option to the format the text and the picture, apply a certain formatting to our text, like you can make our slide somewhat font you can change, font size you can change, because title will be have somewhat size of that font will be somewhat more, and we'll make it as a bold so that we will highlight it, and then whatever subtitle font will be somewhat lower compared to the title one, and we can add certain pictures to that, like that. Different formatting options are there, we can have there, we can provide those things. And add a new slide by clicking on a new slide on a formatting bar, or by right clicking and selecting the new slide options. So right, just in the below figure I think I had shown, there is a right side, there is a new slide option will be there. If you click on that, then it will going to add a one more slide to our presentation. Inserting a text, enter your text by clicking and then typing in the box titled. Click to add text and click to add a title. So once again you can insert a text, then you can enter certain text in the text box, then you can add, click to add title and click to add text. You can add a certain text to both the box. So maybe have to place our cursor in that particular box, like click to add title and click to add text. So whatever you want to write, you can write to that. Format the slide text if necessary. Select the text that you want to change, then click the home tab and review our text formatting option in the font section of the toolbar. We can also change the color, we can make it as bold, italic, underline and so on. There are many formatting options we have to have, we can use those things. Next, to add a photo to our slide, click the insert tab. So there is one insert uh, menu will be there, we have to click on that, then click the picture in the toolbar. So there are in the insert, just top of the screen in the menu bar there is an insert option will be there. If you click on that, we have a, like a picture option will be there. Just click on that, and after clicking on that, we will get a different types of picture we'll get. So we have to select one among the picture which is suitable for our presentation, or else we can download from the browser is also possible, and later you can cut copy and you can paste it. So applying transitions and animations. So once we had added the text and once we had inserted the images to our slide, later we can go for applying the transition and animation to our slide. Transition. It provides the animated effect to the slide when moving from one slide to the next slide during a slideshow. So when we are moving from one slide to the another slide, at that time we can provide a certain animation effect to each slide. At that time we can go for this one. Click on transition tab from the menu bar. So there is a transition tab will be available. If we click on that, we can provide a transitions from moving from one slide to the another slide. So here different types of uh, transition objects are available, like fade, push, wipe, split, like that. Click on the transition tab from the menu bar and apply anyone to a particular slide you can apply, or we can apply to all the slides is allowed. For selecting the time interval for the slide transition, you can either choose on mouse click or automatically. So if you click automatically, the transitions will be means it will move to the one slide to the another slide automatically, or else you can we can provide the time interval based on the time interval automatically it will move from one slide to the another slide is possible, or else just by clicking the mouse click, or automatically, sometimes automatically it will move. It depends on your choice. Either you want to provide the time interval, or else you want to click the mouse, that is left to you. Animations. It is an effective way to focus on important points, to control the flow of information, and to increase the viewer interest in the presentation. So it's a very important tool, we can say, to control the flow of information. Just to control the flow of information means, like, just one point displayed, later second point, until and unless we will not click or we will provide the certain time interval, it may not going to be display the second point. So we can provide the control over the flow of information, or to increase viewer interest in the presentation. And also we can create the interest. Just supposing that we had display the certain objective questions, like multiple choice questions. Just we had display the question, next we are provided the multiple options for that questions. Then the viewer, they are interestly waiting for the answer which one is correct. Just we can create the interest towards the viewers for whom so we are presenting, no? For that purpose, this animation plays a very important role. Select the object that you want to animate. So there are different types of objects. We have like flayed, flying, floating, split. There are different type of animations. Whichever you feel suitable for our presentation, we can choose that one. Click on animation tab from menu bar. So to do this one, there is an animation tab will be there. We have to click on that. After clicking, there are different types of effects are appear, like fade or fly. Different types of options are there. We can choose one among them to apply animations to our slide. Presenting slideshow, either press F5 key or use the slideshow tab from the menu bar. So here, just at the top of the figure, there is a slideshow option will be there. Either directly we can press the function key F5, that will be present in the keyboard, F1, F2, like that. If you press F5, we can view the complete view of our slide, or else we have there is a button tab will be there. Just click on that slide show button, and once you applied, everything is completed, then we can show our PowerPoint, save our PowerPoint. Just we have to go to the file option, and in that when we have a save option, just click it, and wherever you want to save, We can go there and then provide the name to the presentation, then click on save option. So this is regarding uh, creating our presentation. Next one is how to open an existing presentation. Maybe already you had created a presentation, just you want to open it, or maybe you want to make a edit it, and you want to add something to new or something you want to delete. In that case, how to open an existing presentation? That is a question will be there. So once select the file tab, just go to the file tab, select, there is an open option will be there in that one. After clicking the file tab, just there is a drop down menu will be open, just click on the open button. So open dialog box will be appear just below of the figure. Just see the below figure, there is an open option will be there, open dialog box will be appeared here. And in that one, choose the file that just that one you have created. Just select that particular presentation and then click on open button. If you have opened the desired presentation recently, means maybe recently just you have opened certain presentation, just go to the recent presentation option will be there. In the open option, there are different options we have. In that one, we have to choose that recent presentation. In the recent presentation, we can open our presentation. So unnecessary just going searching entire, maybe in the somewhere else, maybe in the desktop or drive, just will go for the recent, means recently whichever the file you are open, no, easily we can get it and we can open it. Alternative to that, or else just go to the file option, then click on the open button. Then we have a number of files in that one, we can choose that particular file and then click on open button. Both the things is possible. If it is not a recent one, then just you have to click on open button, then you can open. Recently you are open means we can go for this option. So these are the certain references I referred to prepare this PPT. Thank you.